Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fprce is back with another video. So you guys are probably wondering where am I? This is a new survival multiplayer series called Fprce. So guys, this server is gonna be for me and my friends playing Minecraft as we're supposed to. It's gonna be a fun Minecraft world. It's so many adventures. Sorry for that. Things we're gonna do in this Minecraft survival will be much. Let me check what is day. Okay, it's still night. Guys, so I think I have a crafting table somewhere. Let's clean this off. Okay, switch it. Okay, so drop this down. I have I'm rich already, guys. I'm rich. No one can stand against me. And also, there's some people in this server too, so it's not be only me. I've been waiting all day to make this server, and I made it come true finally. So today gonna be just a starter introduction, sharing guys about my YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do, guys. I really need it right now. If you guys are wondering why, what am I wearing? Merry Christmas in advance, or New or Eve. This is what I'm wearing. A sexy Minecraft character. Yeah, I look handsome. In handsome. Now let's get back to the video. Sorry. Let's get back to it. Okay. So I'm gonna be posting videos regularly every day. So I think I'm gonna do a live stream later today. So that is going to make a phone nest. Apparently my friend gonna join for some time, so I don't know where they are. So in the meantime, I'll be breaking some things, crafting. Finally made this. When am I? Okay. Said so my friends were robbed me. I actually have a starter base, but I don't know where they are. That's the problem. I get lost. This server is gonna be a server of people interacting with each other. There are gonna be fights in the server. One thing I like in Minecraft is the fights. So you guys should get ready for some episodes. I'm really hyped for the series so far. And this series goes on for some time. I want you guys be healthy, stay strong. Just know God is watching us. Enough with the Jesus Christ talk, so let's get back. I actually need my first food in this server. Eating. I actually need wood. Literally. Now I can just put this down. My wood. This line is enough. And I'll make charcoal, and I'll just be mining in the meantime. So why that's smooth up. So I think I can't do this. Let me just start digging from here. So yeah, I recently just got my Minecraft on my PC, my laptop. Sorry, I'm gonna be using laptop for my life. I don't want to buy PC. PC is not good in Nigeria, bro. Oh, there's a celebration going on outside. Sorry for a lot of bangers. So yeah, there's some things going on. Okay, it's done. Finally, I have charcoal. Now the problem is the wood. Okay, I have enough wood. Okay, guys. There's your cartridge that I actually needed. Now I can make it manifest you. Man, I just wasted wood, guys. What the hell? 3. Okay, I think I'm getting a call from my friend. What's up, Viper? I'm in a video right now. Okay, join the server. Okay, guys, that is my friend Viper. He's joining the server right now, so.
Have respect for my name. I can Viper VIP.
Yes. What's up, guys? Okay, Viper, you're in, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the game.
I can see your stupid game tag.
My stupid name tag out there. You have respect. Have respect for my name. No, is it night?
Yeah, check it. I already have a stack of cobblestone.
You have a stack of what?
Cobblestone.
I don't care about that.
I know you don't care.
I want to get at least 10 stacks of. Yes.
Okay. So guys, I think that's my time talking. So I'm gonna end this video for some time. So guys, I'm not building my house on the ground. I am just mining out. What's up, Kelly? I'm on the server. I'm doing the YouTube video.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, somebody else is entering the server too, guys. Hey guys, I think today is going to be just an introduction about the YouTube series that's going to be going on. I have turned that out anything right now. What? And guys, hello. This is my friend. What's up? Yeah, we need to turn him. Shit! Damn. They're just there. So guys, yeah, that's my friend Viper. Damn, you included.
Yes.
Hey, who hit me? Okay guys, I'm going to take my things from. Oh, I don't want to. My things are in the chest right now. What's up, bro? Okay guys, I'm going to be going back to trying to find my. Oh lord, the Enderman. Viper. Yeah, go on, right? Actually, I'm looking for my base, guys. Actually looking for my base. I don't really know where it is. Damn, too much hidden in the ground with snow. Guys, I'm looking for my base. guys, that is gonna be all for today's video. My good days.